Let's do hydration of alkynes now. First, the simplest one. Simplest alkyne is acetylene. Simplest alkyne is acetylene, called as ethyne, IUPAC name. You're going to add water. Pay attention. We are going to add water using mercuric sulfate as the catalyst in presence of concentrated H2SO4. So Markovnikov's rule says that Markovnikov's rule, you should know the spelling. According to Markovnikov's rule, in a simple way, the hydrogen of the reagent or the positive part of the reagent gets added to that carbon which has already got more hydrogens. Remember, more hydrogens. M for Markovnikov's, M for more hydrogen. So where are you going to put the hydrogen? Where are you going to put the hydrogen of water? Water has two parts, isn't it? H plus and OH minus. So we are going to put the hydrogen at that carbon which has more hydrogens. In this present example, both of them have the same number of hydrogen atoms. So you can attach it anywhere of your choice. You can attach it anywhere of your choice. But if it was something like this, then definitely you're going to add the hydrogen to this carbon because it has got one hydrogen and this carbon has got 0 hydrogen attached to it. So you will add the hydrogen over here. But in the present case, I'm going to just add it up over here. So what do I get? I get like this, HC double bond CH. Now one double bond you have to remove because you're adding something over here. So you just write H and the OH will go on the next one. Okay, the H goes on the first one and the OH goes on the next one, and one double bond has gone. This compound is called as enol because it has alkene as well as alcohol, so it's called enol. Unstable. It will start undergoing rearrangement, and this is the way it happens. The single bond, the electrons come here and these two electrons come here. Look at this. We should know this movement of electrons in exam. So the hydrogen is giving its electrons and we are getting a double bond O, and this double bond is becoming a single bond. The single bond is becoming a double bond and a double bond is becoming a single bond, so that the compound from unstable it becomes stable. We will get this answer. Look at this, C double bond O, single bond C H H, and when these two electrons came over here, it's common sense, we got two electrons here, and this proton, it's coming out as H plus. Okay, it's coming out as H plus, and this H plus you're going to put here. So my structure will look like this, H C double bond O C H H H. So finally I'm going to get acetaldehyde from the hydration of acetylene. This is the only aldehyde which we can obtain from this reaction, because if you take any other aldehyde, suppose I take this one, if you take any other alkyne like this one, then you will have to use Markovnikov's rule, and therefore the compound will completely change. I'll show you the example. So if you start with any other alkyne, children, just see what happens. The H will go here, the H goes here, the OH goes here, unstable enol is formed, undergoes rearrangement. It's also called tautomerization. Show the electrons moving. Single bond becomes double bond is going to become single bond. R C double bond O, single bond C H H. Look at this, C H H, and the double bond, the single bond has now come as an electron, and this H plus has come out, so it will come here. So we'll show that this compound is formed and it's a ketone. So if you hydrate acetylene, you get aldehyde. If you hydrate any other alkyne, you will get a ketone definitely. So hydration of alkynes can give you two answers. It can either give you acetaldehyde or it can give you any ketone. So there is no other aldehyde which you can obtain from this technique. Remember, there's only one aldehyde which can obtain by hydration of alkynes, that is acetaldehyde. So children, I am sure you've understood this complete thing. very well, and we're going to continue with the preparation of aldehydes in the next video, because there are some more methods which we will have to cover up. So please revise these reactions extremely properly. See you next time. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless.